The cPanel, which is short for Control Panel, is a GUI interface that lets you manage various aspects of your web server. Now, cPanel isn't mandatory, it's just a convenient way to manage your web server all in one graphical interface. Now, here's a beginning screen for cPanel. So you just enter your login information and click on login. Okay, once you are in the cPanel, this is a sample of what you will see. Each section is divided according to its function, and on the right side contains specific information about the current state of your web server, including disk usage, current bandwidth, and how many files are in use. Now, there's numerous sections. Let's go ahead and review. The File section contains File Manager, lets you set up FTP accounts and monitor disk usage. In the Email section, this lets you set up and manage email accounts and monitor email disk usage. In the Databases section, it contains PHP lets you create and manage your database. In the Domain section, it lets you set up such things as subdomains and manage domain records. In the Metrics section, this allows you to check the bandwidth and web performance and statistics. In the Security section, this allows you to set up SSH access, block IP ranges, and set up SSL. In the Software section, this shows your PHP packages installed, allows you to modify PHP INI, and allows you to install or reinstall WordPress. In the Advanced section, you can set up crons and manage server cache. In the Preferences section, you can change the password and your account contact information. In the Scripts section, this is where you can install many different programs, including WordPress. In the Statistics area, this gives such things as disk usage, file usage, and your bandwidth. Okay, so let's talk about the File Manager. To access the File Manager, it's in the File section. Double-click on File Manager. And then over here on the left is the listing of all your folders. In the center here is the listing of the folders for the current directory. Here's the size column of each, the date it was last modified, the permissions level, and then this is the type of file that it is. Okay, so let's talk about PHP It's in the Databases section. Click on PHP Okay, here's your database name, the database tables, and then the central column is listing all tables. You can browse the table, change the structure of the table, search for something within the table, add something to the table, empty it or clear the table, and drop means delete the table. This is how many rows the table has, the type, its correlation, and its overall size. Okay, last we're going to talk about changing the password. So it's in Preferences, Password and Security. Here's where you would type in your old password. You type in the new one, and then again. And then the strength is based on a score of 100. You can also click on Password Generator, and it will automatically generate a brand new password for you. And then when you're happy, click on Change the Password Now. So that's how you would handle the cPanel.